Think you're nailing your push-ups? You might actually be wrecking your shoulders without realizing it. Most people do hundreds of push-ups, but only a handful of right ones. Let's fix that before your next rep. Cut to someone doing sloppy push-ups. See this? Hips sagging, elbows flaring, neck dipping forward. That's not strength, that's strain. You're turning a powerful full-body movement into a shoulder-punishing mess. The truth? A push-up isn't just an arm exercise. It's a moving plank. Your entire body needs to work as one solid unit. Switch to trainer in proper position, but only halfway demonstrating. Here's the secret. The strongest push-up starts before you even bend your arms. Most people think it's all in the chest, but the real power starts from your core and travels outward. Imagine your abs as the foundation of a skyscraper. If the base collapses, everything else falls apart. Show side view, clean execution. To do it right, set your hands directly under your shoulders and lock your body in one straight line from head to heels. Tighten your core like you're bracing for a punch, and keep your gaze slightly ahead, not down. Lower your chest toward the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body. Then push back up as if you're trying to shove the floor away. Every inch should feel controlled. Trainer smiles, pointing at the camera. Now, try 10 flawless reps. No shortcuts. Feel that difference? That's your body finally working with you, not against you. Keep practicing this form, and every push-up you do will build real, lasting strength. You got this.